Hello YouTube world, my name is Eliza. Welcome back to our channel. I'm here once again for another clothing transformation. As you can see in the video, our main material is a shirt. If you have spare shirts, take them out of your closet so we can start with the revamping. For the first project, I'm gonna use this white shirt. The first step is to make the sleeves shorter because I'm petite. If I wear too big clothes, I look even smaller, so I'm just folding this part thrice and sew it. Next is to create holes for the string. I'm gonna use this leftover fabric. Lay it on the shirt to get its width and length. Make sure to allot a ½ inch extra to keep the raw hem later. Mark 3 inches for its width. For the length, it's until the armpit area of the shirt. Next, fold the ½ inch extra. Then draw 3 straight lines to form 2 narrow holes. Next, backstitch the lines that were drawn. final part is to insert the string into the holes. I'm using this ribbon as my string. For the length of the string, it really depends on your choice. Mine, I want it to be longer. So, this is how it looks now. Since I'm short, it's a mini dress on me. Now I have a white ruched dress. This outfit looks better in a thigh-high boots, but I don't have it, so I'm just wearing my ankle boots. For the next project, I have two shirts here because the second video file got corrupted. I don't want my viewers to just imagine, so I decided to make another video. The first step is to unstitch the sleeves. For its main body, I'm just removing the neck area. Fold this part to keep the raw hem. This section is also for the elastic, so make sure to create enough space for it. Next, cut this unwanted area to form a rectangle. And then fold this part for the elastic. Backstitch the armpit hole to join the back and front. Backstitch as well the parts that were folded earlier, but leave about a ½ inch so we can insert the elastic. Do the same thing for its sleeves. Then prepare the elastic needed. Of course, the size depends on the person who will wear it. Just take note that the elastic has a different length. One should be longer. Next, insert the elastic with the help of the safety pin. Join both ends of the elastic by sewing. And then backstitch the ½ inch opening. final step is to attach the sleeves to the main body. All you have to do is align it and then sew. This is how they look now. For the corrupted file, which is the red-orange dress, I added the lace down there to make it look more feminine. This dress can be a beach or a picnic outfit depending on how you accessorize it. Can be worn casually as well, just wear a white pair of sneakers. This clothing transformation vlog is about to end. Thanks for sparing your time watching this one. If you're new here and want to see more upcycling videos, just hit the subscribe button. Same thing with the notification bell. Oh, by the way, which do you like best? I'd love to see your answer, so write it in the comment section below. That's it. This has been Eliza. See you next time.